And I don't know what overcame me, but all of a sudden, out of my mouth, I said it out loud, "I forgive myself." And it was like a whole wave of new energy just filled my body. It was like somebody sprinkled fairy tale dust on me. I mean, to the point where I wanted to look around and see if I was not alone anymore. And I immediately felt this peace and this release, and it felt good. And the next thought I had was, I just need to call the customer and apologize. It's that simple. And I turned around and I went and called my customer. And I profusely apologized and let him know that I broke my own rule and I was really sorry and I didn't know what happened or why I forgot. And the guy cut me off and was like, April, you have never, ever not called me back right away. And I remembered how little grace I was giving myself. And I was lucky that that customer remembered to give it to me first. He reminded me that I'm human. When I said I forgive myself out loud, I reminded myself that I am human, that we all make mistakes, that we are never perfect, and that that's okay. But isn't it interesting how a near stranger, I mean, he was a customer, but otherwise we were strangers, he could give me more grace than I was giving myself. So often we extend our compassion to others so easily first, but we rule with an iron fist for ourselves. That moment forever changed my life, and it became sort of a ritual anytime I made a mistake and caught myself beating myself up for something I did wrong. And I would say, and still to this day, I forgive myself. When you say it out loud, when you incorporate your vocal cords and your movement, your physicality, along with the emotions behind it, it becomes so powerful. It's nearly often the forgiveness has had. The work is done. It is that simple. And if it helps you to remember, take a post it note and put forgiveness or I forgive myself in various places around the house so that you start to become more self aware that you need to forgive yourself on a regular basis. When you do this, you're getting rid of the cancer inside of your body that steals your thunder, that robs your good mojo.